Well, CareWorks can be hosted in either location, client or on-site, and it's really a key advantage of the product. Some products you can download it, you're kind of left on your own. We don't allow the clients, or really don't recommend to the clients, to just take the product and install it themselves. We give them guides they can look at ahead of time to determine, if they really want to host it or not. And if they do choose to do that, we'll take them through the steps needed. We won't just say, here, throw them to the wolves, install it to yourself. We'll take them through the selection of the products they're going to use to host it with, ensure that it's compatible with our product. And then we'll go through the actual installation with the client to make sure that not only is it set up, but it's set up securely, and that the backups are set up, and the things that we need, in the event something happens, we need to recover some data or things like that, that we know all those systems are there and they've been checked. CareWorks is used not only for public-facing sites, but also intranets, and so intranets have their own unique challenges in that, being an internally consumed website and typically not sent outside, a lot of the information in there is sensitive to the business, in some cases proprietary to the business. There's a lot of feeds that come in from internal systems that they don't want out or even try to send out across the network to a hosting place like CareTech. So the fact that CareWorks can be hosted inside, we can show them how to successfully set up and configure a hosting environment there to support an intranet so they don't have to expose those systems to the outside. In addition, we secure and had the websites and CareWorks itself audited for PCI compliance, given the fact that the websites just aren't showcases anymore for certain items, that they're transacting things for the patients, whether it's test results, whether it's bill pay, fundraising, things of that nature, class registration. Credit cards are involved, and so we took the product out to make sure that it passed PCI compliance as well, and going through those security checks as well, make sure that the product really does handle the data securely. The tool itself goes through iterations, as most software does. It's looked for, if there's any new enhancements, things like that come out, new regulations that come out in the marketplace that might impact how it handles data. So all that stuff is put into the product, and it really gives the clients advantages in that the product can be updated here, and then really there's nothing to update on the client side. The new features and the new functions just appear in there for them.